So what commissions do you earn as an affiliate of OfferLab? Now, this actually isn't even public yet, so I'm excited to be able to give you guys access here in just a minute. You can see I already have access into the back end. People are adding in products. People are requesting to promote these products. People are putting other people's products in their funnel. It's awesome what's going on right now. And I'm super excited that y'all can get access here in just a minute for free. So under this video, go down, click the link, and it's going to take you to this page. You can watch Russell's video where he explains everything in depth. But here are going to be the commissions that you get at the launch. The launch is going to be here on September 3rd with some pre-launch dates. He hasn't announced what it's going to look like post-launch. So right now I'm just talking about during the launch phase. I assume some of this is going to stay the same, but we'll talk about that in a second. During launch, you get 100% commissions on the upsell. There's one upsell, $500. It's a no-brainer for anyone who's actually serious about this. You get 100% commissions on that $500. That part's awesome. But what that doesn't matter really in the grand scheme of things, because what we care about is the 4% of processing volume. So that can be for creators or affiliates. Now, it can change. Make sure you watch this video by Russell. He's going to go over whether you get 1, 2, 3, 4, how that all works. But let's use an example. Ecom's my favorite one to use because their revenue has to be high because their margins are so small. Let's say you brought in an ecom company that did $100,000 a month in revenue. You would get a percentage of that every single month. Creator, affiliate, whatever they make, you get a percentage of. So let's say they did $100,000 a month. That's $4,000 a month going into your bank account for life, for as long as they use OfferLab. They are cookie to you as long as they use the platform. That is free money in your pocket. You will be very, very, very thankful you promoted this. So go down into the description. First link will take you to this page. Sign up. Start promoting for that September launch. You will be very thankful that you did.